I'm going to teach you how to feed your family for less. Stop throwing away your money because of high food prices. The goal of this video is to teach you how I make an awesome meal for 4 awesome people for under 10 bucks. We're going to be making double cheese crusted sausage and pepper sandwiches. This recipe will make about 8 sandwiches. Normally I would use a green bell pepper, but we happen to grow this variety on the farm, so I'm going to use them. Prepare the pepper by de-seeding it and then cutting it into strips. This one's a hot pepper. I'm not sure what the variety is, but I'm going to add it in anyway. You always got to spice it up a little. Add a small amount of extra virgin olive oil to a hot pan and saute the vegetables. Go ahead and add your seasoning. Black pepper, a little sea salt, Italian seasoning, and oregano. Once the onions are translucent, add your minced garlic. Stir it until it's fragrant. Then add the tomato puree. Add some fresh chopped basil. You can certainly use dried basil as well. I prefer to grill the sausage. It gives it an edge, a little bit of a smoky flavor, and a lot of the fat cooks off. Look at that. I'm only cutting the cheese so it fits in the Ninja. Here you go, Brofus, my little buddy. Who's a good boy? Sometimes you just gotta hit it with a Ninja. Place a thin layer of tomato sauce on the bottom of your baking dish. This will prevent the cheese from sticking. Once the sausage has cooled down, slice it up any way you like. Then add it back to the saucepan. Put the lower cheese crust under the broiler until golden brown. Hit it with the Ninja. Hoo-yah! Hoo-wah! Oh my God, look at that cheesy goodness. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of where I added the sausage back into the baking dish. Just lay it out evenly, cover it with cheese again, slay it in the oven under the broiler, and be prepared to feast. Would you look at that? That is a serious sandwich. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for taking the quest with me in creating better meals that cost less. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.